Get up! Thank you! Thank you!
Oh, geez, don't get the pictures going. I just calmed him down. Look at this, a Norman Rockwell photo.
Oh, shit.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi.
Fine.
How do you get ice out of this place?
Ooh,
Easy.
How? Money.
She got a full bucket of ice, Eddie.
Okay.
Here we are.
Isn't it amazing how that 1 second blink does that?
Great
He's
Western
nervous.
Boot Company.
I can't even breathe around
Is
here.
that for here?
Come on, Rich, we gotta get you
I look
dressed.
over your shoulder.
We'll take another life.
It's a nice room.
Yeah.
I like it.
Looks almost like yours.
Just about.
We stayed in yours.
Only my stuff is put away.
Well, we still got the maid coming.
Oh, she's on her way down.
Oh, no, we gotta wait till our pillowcases come out of the dryer.
Talk about rushing the maid. I'm
What?
sorry, rushing
No,
housekeeping.
she's not a Russian. I think she's Hispanic.
111. Where is
Art.
She's not Russian, she's Hispanic.
111 and 121.
So instead of Russian the maid, we Hispanic the maid.
You Hispanic the maid?
Hispanic.
Bye, Baba.
Come on.
Well, let me go.
It was nice having you visit.
Yep, same here.
Back again when you can't
Big old floor.
What?
Big old floor.
You are.
Uh-huh, you go too.
I can. What am I going to wear?
Say nothing.
Nothing.
Rich.
Let's go. I'm going to follow you. Go to the room. Show me where it is.
Bye, Baba.
Come on. Okay, we're gonna have a timeout for Dad and Mom. You guys can take a break for 5 minutes, okay? I wanna read for a couple minutes. Would your parents say anything?
No. Just hit hi and bye.
The hell with them, they look funny anyway.
Hi.
Hi and bye.
Hi. Happy Mom. Bye-bye.
Are we doing laundry tonight?
Yep.
Hey, Mom. Bye-bye.
I'm going to go do it in about 5 minutes later.
I knew there was a reason that I brought my wife along on this trip.
Hey, Ed.
Keep it in your mouth. Don't get it all over you because Daddy will kill me.
Is it good? What is it? Okay.